Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing data because repairs can change files. Copy critical folders to an external drive or cloud. Next, open command prompt as administrator and run chkdskc/f/r. This locates bad sectors and attempts repairs. Once started, make sure to close active programs. The disk scan can take minutes to hours depending on size and errors. You do this first to correct file system corruption and to prevent further damage from writes during the repair process. Once chkdsk finishes, you run System File Checker to restore corrupted system files. Open an elevated command prompt and type sfc/scano. If SFC reports it cannot fix some files, then use dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the Windows image, and then run SFC again. Make sure to reboot after each major step so restored files are fully loaded. You do this because SFC fixes the how and why of broken DLLs and system binaries that cause persistent file errors. You finish by attempting targeted recovery for user files. Run Recuva or TestDisk to retrieve corrupt or deleted documents and examine restored files for integrity. Once done, compare with backups and use Windows file history or previous versions to restore stable copies. Make sure to verify checksums when available. If corruption recurs, run Smart Diagnostics or a manufacturer drive utility. Hardware failure is a common cause. Then consider a clean reinstall. Troubleshooting tip: if repeated corruption appears, replace the drive before restoring data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.